Welcome to Guess the Farm Animal, the ultimate challenge for animal enthusiasts. Get ready to put your knowledge to the test as we present you with intriguing clues about various farm animals. Can you identify them before time runs out? Let the guessing games begin. Guess the animal? It's a cow. Guess the animal? It's a cat. Guess the animal? It's a rabbit. Guess the animal? It's a pig. Guess the animal? It's a sheep. Guess the animal? It's a rooster. Guess the animal? It's a horse. Guess the animal? It's a buffalo. Guess the animal? It's a goose. Thanks for watching, kids.